Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a closer look at tpg.com.au, a prominent Australian telecommunications provider. Their website serves as the central hub for managing your TPG account, browsing their wide range of services, and accessing support resources. Navigating the site, you'll find sections dedicated to NBN plans, mobile phone offers, SIM-only deals, and even home phone packages. They frequently update their website with promotional offers, so it's worth checking regularly for the latest discounts. TPG prides itself on providing a comprehensive suite of telecommunication solutions for both individuals and businesses. Their website reflects this commitment by offering dedicated sections for each customer segment. Business users can easily explore tailored plans and enterprise-grade solutions, while residential customers can compare various NBN and mobile options. The site also provides a comprehensive FAQ section designed to address common customer queries, covering topics ranging from billing and technical support to plan details and coverage information. For existing customers, the tpg.com.au website offers a convenient online portal known as My Account. This secure platform allows users to manage their services, monitor usage, pay bills, and access support directly. You can track data usage, view invoices, change plan details, and even troubleshoot connection issues, all from the convenience of your computer or mobile device. TPG also emphasizes customer support, providing multiple avenues for assistance, including phone support, email, and live chat options, all accessible through their website. Beyond the core services, the TPG website offers a wealth of additional resources. You'll find informative articles and guides covering topics like setting up your modem, optimizing your internet connection, and understanding different NBN technologies. They also maintain a blog that features updates on the latest industry news, TPG promotions, and helpful tips for getting the most out of their services. Exploring tpg.com.au provides a valuable understanding of their offerings and demonstrates their dedication to providing a user-friendly online experience.